Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Permabear, where we wait, let me just adjust some settings here. Okay, so welcome to the Permabear. This is our October 26th live stream, and we're here in this channel. We're here to discuss some bearish insights for a safer crypto investment or crypto bets if you're in the futures. So we're going to discuss things that may help you in gaining profits in the crypto markets. So yeah, before we proceed, if you're new to the channel, thank you very much for dropping by, and don't forget to follow. And if you're on Facebook, follow as well, and on YouTube, subscribe. So if you have a YouTube channel, please, our YouTube account, please check on the Permabear. Just search for it and subscribe. I'll try to post some helpful content in that channel soon. So today let's bring up our checklist again, just to serve as our guide for today's content. So we're going to discuss news, check on stock market, the Bitcoin ETF flow, fear and greed index, the RSI, or relative strength index, the MACD. Okay, so that's the moving average, convergence, divergence. Then towards the end of the live stream, we're going to discuss our favorite topic, meme coins. So just sit back, relax, and I hope that you will, you're going to enjoy your weekend while watching this live stream. So yeah, I guess let's proceed and check on Bitcoin's charts first. Okay, so you see that I have my trend lines here. You'll see those trend lines in yellow. Okay, let's make it orange. Let's make this. So this is my upward trend line, and this one is the downward trend line. So so as you can see, we're going to check on what happened with Bitcoin. So yesterday we saw it make a bit of a move. Okay, so it went as high as I think 68,000, above 68,000, and then just earlier today we saw it dip to a little bit under 66,000. So I think it went to 65,800 or less. So let's zoom in and see what Bitcoin did recently. So as I've mentioned, so I think this was last night. I'm in the Philippines, so this is Asian time. So we went to as high as 68,700. Okay, or let me see. I think this would be much 68,500. Okay, and then just today. Okay, the lowest point of Bitcoin was 65,600. Okay, so around that price, and Bitcoin has rebounded a bit. Okay, and it's can say that it's consolidating right now and thinking of its next move. Okay, so we're going to check on the factors that may have contributed to this movement of Bitcoin. So pretty much this is a huge dip from 68,000 to 66,000. That's $2,000 dip from Bitcoin. Okay, we're going to check on some news items which may explain why this happened. Okay, so I'm just pulling up CoinDesk, and while waiting, I hope that you guys will follow me on Gate.io. If you're on Facebook or YouTube and you don't have a Gate.io account yet, I have a URL on top. So that's bit.ly//gate_io. So just go to that URL and sign up, then so that you can join us in gate.io. Okay, and let's see. Okay, I want to test something out because I think something is not working with the chats. Okay, I'm just going to try to chat in Facebook and see if my chat will show up. Okay, just stay with me a while. Guys, okay, so I think my alerts are not working, so yeah, I think I will need to adjust my settings there. So anyway, yeah, just if you want to chat with me, just go to gate.io because apparently my chats in Facebook and YouTube are still not showing up in the live stream. Okay, so I'm now checking on the recent news in CoinDesk. If you want to share your thoughts, you can head on over to gate.io and chat with me there. Okay. If you have questions or if you have suggested, if you have your favorite tokens you want us to consider or take a look at, and you can chat in gate.io. Okay, so this is big. Okay, so let's take a look at this. So the last thing we really want to see in crypto is a FUD on stable coins. Okay, so for some reason okay, so I think I closed it out. So now let's check on this news item. So crypto rally foiled by report of DOJ probe on Tether. So this is USDT. So let's zoom in and read on it a bit. Bitcoin appeared to poise to make another run at 70K, but a WSJ story of a criminal probe into stablecoin issuer sent prices tumbling. So this is most probably the reason why Bitcoin dipped. Okay, yeah, if this will be sustained, if this USDT or Tether FUD will continue, then this would be really big. Okay, so we know that USDT is the biggest stable coin at the moment. Okay, so crypto prices have reversed early gains and are broadly lower during US afternoon hours on Friday, following a Wall Street Journal report that the US is probing stablecoin issuer Tether for violations of sanctions and anti-money laundering rules. Stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency whose value is pegged to another asset, typically the US dollar. With a market cap in excess of $120 billion, Tether USDT is by far the most widely used stablecoin. Early in the session, crypto prices had been on the rise, with Bitcoin nearing the 69,000 level and perhaps readying for a late day or weekend challenge of topping $70,000 for the first time in 3 months. In the minutes following the news on Tether, Bitcoin had rumbled to as low as 66,500, down nearly 2% over the past 24 hours before modestly bouncing back to 66,800. The broader market gauge CoinDesk 20 index was lower by 2.3% over the same time frame. Okay. So taking to X, shortly following the story, Tether Chief Technology Officer Pablo Ardoino said the WSJ is regurgitating old noise. There's no indication, said Ardoino, that Tether is under investigation. Okay, so it's probably okay. Tether is saying that it's fake news, maybe. So we'll see. We'll see if there's really any legs for this news item. Okay, so that's so if that was really just fake news, then there's nothing to worry about. There's nothing to be concerned of. But yeah, I think I heard that this story before about investigations on Tether. So I'm not sure if there's a new investigation or a new case build-up that the U.S. is preparing for another persecution of USDT. So I'm looking for another, but that's most probably the reason for this dip. So yeah, I'm just going to check on some other items that okay, MicroStrategy. Okay, so guess that's really the only major news that is worth looking at regarding the big Bitcoin dip yesterday or just earlier today. So let's see. Okay, so for those who just came in, thank you very much for dropping in, and thank you as well for our admin for dropping by and sharing with us red packets. So if you can wait a while, just wait for your red packets to be claimable, and those are airdrops. Those are airdrops you can probably consider betting into, or yeah, once the token or once the your airdrop, the one that you're going to open later, will be available for trading, you can probably buy and yeah, trade it, buy, sell, and maybe DCA into it. Some of these new tokens can really, if you're lucky, you can get maybe 100x of your investments. So who knows? Okay. So let me. Okay, so while I'm still loading this up, I hope that you guys will follow the channel, whether you're on Facebook or Gate.io, and for those on YouTube, please subscribe. Israel, Iraqi, Iranian, okay. Explosions. Night session market. Tether is being investigated by U.S. federal investigators. Okay, so that's still the same. Okay, yeah, I think that's the biggest news that okay, that supports on-chain data after the hacker. Sudan, Netherlands. Play stable coins. Analyst, Hacker has returned the vast majority of assets stolen from the US government address yesterday. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. This is interesting. Okay, it says here, hacker has returned the vast majority of assets stolen from the US government address yesterday. Okay, according to on-chain analyst Eugene's monitoring, the hacker has returned the vast majority of the assets stolen from the US government address yesterday. The hacker stole assets worth $20.7 million. Okay, USDT, USDC, ETH, etc. from the US government's wallet yesterday, of which 534 ETH was transferred away by the hacker using multiple addresses. Half an hour ago, hacker returned the untransferred $19.35 million assets to the US government-owned wallet, including 13.2 million USDC to 2,411. Okay. Okay. So that's okay. That's something. Okay, so I think that's it for our news section. And we're now going to take a look at yesterday's stock markets to see if there's any major thing that can give us a hint of its effects on the crypto markets. Okay, let's take a look at it. So maybe we can start with with the US. So it's slightly down. Okay, the US markets are slightly down. So S&P and Dow Jones. Okay, so these two are the major indices. Actually, especially S&P. Yes, that's the tech sector, so that's what we're really interested in. And of course, the broader market can also affect investor sentiment, or shows investor sentiment, which also may have some effects on Bitcoin. Okay, so Asia, we're interested in Japan. So Japan is slightly low. Of course, these are yesterday's numbers. So today is a weekend, so there's no stock market trading happening at the moment. So what we're looking at are yesterday's numbers. Okay, and of course the Europe markets, so it's a bit mixed. Okay, so anyway, just taking a second look. So that's how the markets are going right now. So you can say that overall the momentum is still very positive with regards to the market. So there's really no major downtrends that we're seeing, and mostly there's the narrative is that global liquidity is rising, and that's certainly good for risk assets, which where of course cryptocurrencies are included. So we're really looking at, of course, historically, October, November, December are really good months for the markets, and that includes Bitcoin, of course. So we're expecting some bullish momentum, long term or medium term. Okay, so however, in the short term, at the moment, my opinion, or I think that we are still in a bearish mini cycle right now. Okay, so that's what I'm going to explain in a bit. So after we're done with this macro stuff. Okay, so yeah, the next thing that we're going to discuss is, or we're going to take a look at, is the Bitcoin ETF flow. Okay, so let me just pull it up from CoinGlass. So that's I think we should zoom in on this. Okay, so we see the yesterday, or yeah, just today. This is today. It's still today in the U.S. markets. We see a huge, a huge inflow, 5.88K. So if we're just looking at these numbers, we would have thought that the Bitcoin should already be beyond 70,000. So again, these institutions are the ones pushing the Bitcoin prices up, and yeah, this is indication the 5.88K is really huge. Okay, and let's see how. Okay, so okay, so the momentum that that these ETFs are moving, or are pushing, or is pushing, is really an indication that Bitcoin is really poised to challenge that 70K resistance anytime soon. And by soon, I mean I don't mean tomorrow, or maybe within the week. So I'm expecting that the effects of this inflows may eventually kick in towards or nearing the election time. Okay, and especially after the new president, the new American president, will should have been announced or proclaimed. Okay, so again, we're seeing some optimistic momentum shown, or as indicated by this positive inflows the past few weeks. So I think it's been 2 weeks of positive inflows. We just have one day where we saw this negative 1.3K outflow. Okay, this is October 22. So, but aside from that, we have seen positive inflows daily, and this is of course led by BlackRock, who seems to be accumulating daily, and there's no outflow from BlackRock during the past 2 weeks. Okay. So if this is any indication of things to come, it seems that these institutions are the ones supporting Bitcoin's price right now. Without this inflows, Bitcoin may have tanked already. Okay, especially with this FUD that's been caused by this maybe fake news about Tether being investigated by the U.S. government. Well, of course, this report came from the Wall Street Journal, and I am very sure that they have a basis for this report. So we'll see. Let's see. We'll see if there will be any updates this coming week regarding this, and if this is indeed true, and if the U.S. Department of Justice will really aggressively work on this matter, then we can expect more dips from Bitcoin and all of these crypto assets. Okay, so the next thing we're going to discuss is the fear and greed index. We'll see if that USDT or Tether FUD has caused fear on the market. Well, definitely it did, but let's take a look at the index. So let's take a look at it. And yeah, it seems to so I think yesterday we were at 77. Okay, and we're down a bit at 72. So okay, so maybe people have realized, or maybe they believed on that announcement or that tweet from Tether that this has just been a rehash of an issue that has been that may have been addressed a long time ago. Okay, so we'll see if this is the weekend, and most of the time in the past few weeks, Bitcoin has been, or actually the crypto space has been strong during weekends, and okay, so we'll see if Bitcoin will try again to break through the 70K resistance. And I'm still in the belief that Bitcoin will just go sideways towards the elections, and the next leg up that everyone's been hoping for would come after the elections. So I doubt if Bitcoin will be able to make any moves before the elections. Okay, unless of course there will be an indication that there's going to already be a clear winner on that said election. Okay, so yeah, as I've said yesterday, if you have been following me, I said that I believe that Bitcoin will still dip a bit, and we're just going to wait for the news or the reason why Bitcoin will dip. And I believe that that one of the reasons right now that we see is this Tether FUD. Okay, and we'll see if there will be others, or if this Tether FUD will blow up and will cause some further dips for Bitcoin. Okay, so we're still at greed, in the greed zone, and that FUD is not really causing that much panic yet, or there's really people in the crypto space are still hanging tough, because of course maybe because we're on October, and we're in the halving year, and then historically speaking, Bitcoin's really pretty strong during this period of time. Okay, so let's move on to our next topic, which is the RSI. Okay, let's pull up our chart again and bring up our RSI. So let's look at the daily RSI. Okay, and let's. So the momentum of the RSI is still it's now downwards. Okay, and that's after it hit the overbought level at 70. So as I have predicted, it's it's going to it's going to have a resistance on that 70 on that overbought level. So and as I've well, I'm predicting, I believe that that this RSI will hit the at least the 50-point mark before it makes another move upward. So if there will be no big FUD that's going to come up, then that 50-point mark will be my basis. Okay, and that may be the support zone that Bitcoin will bounce up. And so yeah, the dates or the period of that I'm really looking forward to is the result of the election. So after that date, then I'd say that I'm going to flip bullish on Bitcoin and the crypto markets, especially the L1s. So, but before that, I'm still in the opinion that Bitcoin will still do some further downward movements. So the cause or the reasons for the dips, I still don't know, but there will certainly be some news that we will see explaining the dips from Bitcoin. Okay, so gate user E2 E4 0430, should we wait or buy now? I'd say wait. Okay, so that's that. Since I've already said that I'm still expecting Bitcoin to dip down further. Okay, I'm thinking that we can still wait a while. Okay, and if let me just show my okay, let's see. Okay, so let's pull up the price here. So I'm expecting Bitcoin to dip maybe to around 62,500. That should be a safe price to expect. Okay. So this is my trend line. So yeah, that's the price I'm expecting, and my opinion is that we should wait. We should wait a while, and maybe wait for a confirmation from Bitcoin that it's really on its way up already. So, however, if you already want to gain exposure on Bitcoin, you can already buy now, since everyone's hopeful that Bitcoin is about to make some rallies even before the elections. Someone may already be will be thinking of front running the events. So some whales may already buy even before the results of the election. As we can see from these institutions buying Bitcoin ETFs, they're already buying right now. They're already accumulating, and so if you want to follow their lead, then you can already maybe DCA, probably just keep buying every day or maybe every 3 days. Just don't buy. Just don't go all in one betting or in one investment. Okay, so just to be safe. Okay, just if you want to have exposure, just place your first staggered bet right now, and wait for things to unfold. And when we get confirmation that it's indeed already on a bullish momentum, then that's the time to go all in. Okay, and yeah, but let me just measure the time period here. So we're just on the 6th day right now. So if you've been following my channel, I said that I believe that this mini cycle, this mini bearish cycle, will last at least 7 days. So maybe tomorrow will be the last day, and we're going to see if the bearish trend will really continue. And then once we see that the trend flips, if we see that the bulls are already working, then that's time to buy, okay, and to go all in. Okay, so Aman, hi to you as well. As I hope that you're enjoying your weekend, and I'm pretty good. Of course, we've in the Philippines we've just been through a rough storm. Okay, but in my end, personally, I guess I'm lucky. I was not really affected that much by the storm, but I'm of course praying for my countrymen that they'll be able to cope, and of course with everyone's help. Yeah, the Filipinos are really resilient in this situation. So, but yeah, hopefully everyone's going to return to their normal lives, and yeah, but just be yeah, just move on from this tragedy. Okay, where is the right place to buy ETH? Okay, so let's check on Ethereum. I think I've mentioned that Ethereum. Yesterday's price of Ethereum is around 2,500, and it has dipped even further. Okay. And actually, if you're watching, or if you're taking note, or if you're carefully observing the movements of Ethereum and the news about Ethereum, it's not really very good. So, however, by just looking at this trend line, it may already be a good time to buy Ethereum. Okay. So, yeah. So for your question, yeah, I think it's now is a good time to buy Ethereum. It may, if it's going to dip even further, then you just buy again. So, but the price levels right now is already good to buy Ethereum. So, of course, although a lot of analysts are bearish on Ethereum, I'm still pretty confident, or I still believe in Ethereum, and it's not going to go away anytime soon. So, yeah, you can DCA into Ethereum. Prices below 2,500 are for Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum below 2,500 is cheap. Okay, in my opinion. Okay, so let's now move on to our next item, MACD. Okay, so we can let's zoom into MACD. So as you can see, if again, if you were following me, um, we're now seeing that let me just change the colors of this. Okay, so we now see that the MACD line has crossed the signal line. So the MACD line is the white line. The yellow line is the signal line. So it has crossed, and this is actually an indication that Bitcoin is in a bearish momentum. So if we're just going to look at the charts, then it is signaling that Bitcoin is about to dip even further. Okay, so that's of course discounting the macro factors. So even if we're seeing huge Bitcoin ETF inflows and the global liquidity rising, it may those factors may come in later. Okay, maybe on November, but in the short term, maybe in the next few days, since we're seeing this MACD crossing this signal line, we can expect some further dips from Bitcoin. Okay, so just be careful if you're thinking of crazy long bets on Bitcoin, or you can say any other token. We can expect that the crypto markets will do some further dips in the next few days at least. Okay, and depending on the FUD that will come up, it may go even longer. Okay, so just again, because the theme of our channel is a skeptical stance on the crypto space, I would urge you to carefully study your bets, especially if you're very, very bullish. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Just need to take care of something. So anyway, that's for our discussion about MACD, and we're now going to move on to our favorite topic, which are meme coins. Okay, so yeah, well, let's look at cat. Okay, I think this token has dipped a bit right now, and let's see. So let's see the RSI. So we see that the RSI has not. Let's zoom in. So the RSI here has not crossed the overbought levels yet, but it has been dipping. So if you're a bear and you're thinking that this is already an indication of a bearish momentum, then I suggest that you reconsider. Okay, since since there's still a tendency for this to move to overbought levels, so I suggest that you wait for this token to reach overbought levels before you short this token. Okay, although of course, if you believe that Bitcoin will make huge dips soon, it may already also be a good time to short this token. Let's check on the charts. So it has double topped, and yeah. So, but if you're going to ask my opinion about this token, I suggest that you don't short it at this point. Okay, so that's for Simon's cat, and I think we have around 13 minutes left for the live stream. So okay, it's raining again here. I thought the rain has already gone away, but it's raining once again. Okay, so let's check on our next token, another cat meme coin. Cat. So I think yesterday I already suggested that you short this token. Okay, and yeah, if you have shorted this token and have exited already, then you would have been in profits. Okay, so yesterday it has dipped, and let's look at the 15-minute charts and zoom in on it. So I think what time was our live stream yesterday? It's around 10 a.m. So 11. So maybe let's say 11 a.m. So we were at this point yesterday. So if let's let me draw a line. So I think where's that? 11 a.m. Yeah, so we were at this point yesterday. Okay, when I gave you the signal to short this token, and yeah, if you have placed your bet and exited here, yeah, then you would have been let's measure it. So you would have been up. Well, how many percent is this? 14%. So yeah, you would have been you would have won 14% of your bet. Okay, so right now Copcat is recovering from its recent low, and we'll see if it will make some moves during the weekend. In most cases, these meme coins make huge moves during weekends. Okay. Okay. So next, the next item so if you have any suggested tokens to look at, please, please don't hesitate to chat. Okay, just chat your favorite meme coins, and I'm going to take a look at it. Okay. So let's take a look at what's the next. Let's try WIF. So it's been going down, and let's see the RSI. So it's still not oversold. And it may still go down further, so we're just going to wait. Okay, we're going to wait a bit further. We really want to make sure that when we do our bets, that we're confident that we're doing it right. So this one, the first thing that I am taking a look at is RSI. So unless it's oversold or overbought, we're not going to recommend it for any bet. Okay, so it's just right now it's just a little under the neutral zone. So we'll wait for it to be in a much better level. Okay, let's so that's for WIF. So next, we're going to check on. Let's try dogs. Dogs. Okay, so it's close to being oversold. Very, very close to being oversold. Okay, so we can wait. We can wait a while. And once it's already in the oversold territory, then we can buy it already. So maybe one more dip from Bitcoin. Okay, then we can probably give a signal to buy it already. Again, if you're going to bet on these meme coins, make sure that you have quick exit strategies. So you don't want to be greedy and think that it's just going to go up. So when you buy it, you should set a satisfactory profit point for you, and then just exit when it reaches it. And then just wait for it to go back down in price. Okay, so that's how I suggest you play this. So there's no reason to accumulate this meme coins. So just buy sell on especially dogs. We've seen that it's been constantly going down. And maybe we can also take a look at hamster combat. And so this token is really just spiraling down to hell, maybe you can say that. So this is really very oversold already. But since this is a very new token, relatively new token, we really cannot predict the bottom line of this token. So it may actually go to zero. You know, who knows? The airdrops, or yeah, the initial airdrops of this has been pretty huge, and that's probably the reason why it's the price has been spiraling down. Okay, and yeah, the selling is not going to stop anytime soon, I think. Okay, and there's really not much hype anymore. A lot of people has abandoned this token. So even though it's very oversold right now, I'm not going to recommend that you buy this token. So unless we see some pattern of strength in this token. We'll see. So this has just been going down constantly. Okay. So let's move on. Maybe discuss the other token in the other gaming or meme token in the TON ecosystem, Cathy. So this one is down huge today. Okay, and so this is also one of the tokens that's been going down. Okay, and it's close to being oversold already. So we're going to wait. And this token actually had some strength during its launch, and yeah, we can probably once we see a good level to bet on this token, then we can recommend buying this token. Okay, but at this point, since it's not oversold yet, we're going to wait. Okay, so let's take a look at Doge. Doge is down 5%. So I think I also recommended this for shorting, and if you did short Doge yesterday, then you would have been in profits already. So again, we saw Dogecoin. Yeah, we saw Dogecoin go beyond the overbought levels. And yesterday, I think we were here, and I said that it's a good time to short Dogecoin. And yeah, if you listened to me, then you would have been in profits right now. Should we wait or buy right now? Okay, so thank you for your question. Okay, how do you read your name? Badi Crypto UAE. Yeah, so as I mentioned earlier, we want to wait. So just to answer your question, I'm still expecting Bitcoin and the crypto market to go down a bit further. And we want to wait. Maybe until the Tether pod clears out, okay? And yeah, and maybe wait for some more FUD to come in. And when you hear lots of FUD already, that's the time to buy. So we still have some time left before the elections, and I believe that we're just going to go sideways, going downwards while waiting for the results of the U.S. presidential elections. Okay, and maybe you can take this time to accumulate already, because people are expecting Bitcoin to really go way beyond 70K starting November. So if you're just thinking of buying Bitcoin, then yeah, you can already start accumulating Bitcoin, and if ever Bitcoin will dip further, just keep on buying. That's one way to do it. And then once it pumps beyond 70K, then that's the time to sell. Okay, but with regards to other tokens or crypto assets, I would say that you hold your horses, because if Bitcoin dips, they may dip harder, and you want to wait. You want to read on their charts, and maybe wait for their charts to become oversold before buying those tokens. Okay, so I think we're done with our live stream. We have already reached our time limit. That's my personal time limit. I really want to limit my live streams 1 hour a day. So tomorrow, same time, 10 a.m. GMT plus 8, I hope to see you again. And thanks for staying with me. And yeah, guys, don't forget to follow and support my channel. Also on YouTube, please subscribe. So see you again tomorrow, guys. Stay safe.